Hello everyone, I Devesh Pandey, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on topic of camera shots and camera angles. Camera angles. The relationship between the camera and the object being captured gives emotional information to an audience and guides their judgment about the character or objects in shot. Each shot requires placing the camera in the best position for viewing a scan. This positioning of camera, especially camera angles. Low angle. When the camera is below the subject, that is low angle. The camera will make whatever it is looking at seem big. It also gives a general sense of dramatic intensity of sometimes make a subject seem threatening. High angle. When the camera is above the subject, looking down to that is high angle shot. The psychology behind that shot is the result of the low angle shot. High angle shots make a subject look similar. To show weakness or vulnerability, high angle shot is appropriate. Eye level angle. These shots are best for close-up of people. It may provide a natural narrative position or it may support a high impact challenging situation. The camera position at eye level invites the viewer to read the shot. The bird's eye view. This shows a scan from directly over at a very unnatural and strange angle. Familiar objects viewed from. This angle might seem totally unrecognizable at first. This shot does, however, put the audience in a godlike position, looking down on the action. Wide shot. Used when it is important for the audience to understand or have an idea about the settings. This shot will often establish a scan or place giving an audience context. Long shot. In this shot, any figures will be seen from head to foot. The audience will be able to identify more detail about the person or person, but will also be able to see where they are or what to going on around them. Mid shot. Now that the camera is closer to the subject, that audience can easily recognize them, the identify detail about what they are doing. Medium close-up. This is very similar to the previous shot, but the camera is a little closer to the subject and within the frame a person will be shown from their chest to their head. The difference is only slight but can create suitable effects. Close-up. This allows the camera to focus on the detail of the subject as there is little emphasis on background or setting. The frame contains the person's head and shoulders, allowing the audience to recognize a subject through a feeling. Big close-up. This shot shows just the face. It is an effective shot to use when significant emotions are focusing on expressions. Extreme close-up. In this shot, the camera seems to be extremely close up to the subject. The whole frame is filled with a part of the subject. A person's face would be shown from just below the mouth to just above the eyebrows or even closer. Two shots. There are a few variations on this one, but the basic idea is to have a comfortable shot for two people, often used in interview or within two presentators or hosting a show. Over the shoulder shots. The shot helps to establish the position of each person and get the feel of looking at one person from the other's point of view. It's common to cut between these shots during a conversation, alternating the view between the different speakers. Point of view shots. This shot shows a view from the subject perspectives. It is usually edited in such a way that is obvious whose point of view shot it is. Cutaway. A cutaway is a shot that's usually from something other than the current action. It could be different subject. So I here discuss the different types of angles and camera shots. So I hope you understand the topic of camera angles and camera shots. Thank you very much.